Hello and welcome. Today we're checking out the Voltask 42-inch extendable snow brush with an ice scraper and squeegee. This versatile tool features a 270-degree pivoting brush head that extends from 34.2 to 42 inches for easy snow removal. The scratch-free squeegee on the back cleans your windshield without damaging your car's paint. It includes a heavy-duty snow shovel with a metal edge and an ergonomic D-shaped handle for comfortable shoveling. The aluminum telescoping rod is strong, durable, and connects all parts quickly for multi-use convenience. You can break through tough ice, clear snow, and even remove leaves or debris around your yard. Compact and easy to store, this tool is perfect for winter emergencies and everyday snow clearing. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.